guys are doing great. Thanks to God that I am able to share and you are able to listen. Today's my topic is array, which is a collection type of Swift, and I can't explain everything in one shot. So like 10 minutes videos I'll just create and we'll finish it off as soon as possible, right? So today's my topic is array, how you can create array in multiple ways that we'll see. Just let's get started. 2.15.1 actually creating an array in Swift, only this one, right? How to create an array, that we'll understand today only, and then we'll focus one by one whatever topics will come slowly and gradually, right? So now this will be array which will store at my desktop. Now I want to explain you like how you can create array in multiple ways, right? So array is nothing. First of all, I want to tell you what is array. So if this is for like those you don't know about the array, rest like you can more focus towards the creation of array. So it is a stack, right? What it is it is a stack of any type of thing. An array is generic and array is struct, okay, and which is the collection type of Swift. So 0 1 2 3 and so on, it will be a index, and there you can just load your stuff, right? Whatever it is, a string or integer or whatever things, it will load there, right? So simple how you can just create this, right? That I'll tell you. So like I want to create a list will be the stack like that. So name will be there like A, B and C, D and so on, right? So list, I want to create a string list. Then by this you will understand like this is a symbol of array and string, and after then you will initialize this string. This is a name of the array, this is the type of the array, string, integer, what it will hold, that one, right? And after then assign this like this with a constructor, then it will load with a dummy constructor like empty array, right? So it will be, once you will run this, you'll see some result, it will look like that. So it is empty right now, so stack is empty right now, right? Now I want to fill A over there. So how I will fill A, you'll see A will be there, and I need to remove this thing because automatically it will load this and it will say if my stack is looking like that. I'm more visualizing myself, and Swift introduced this feature for better development and fast development and easy understanding, right? A like that. So now at the stack A we loaded, now B you can load and so on, right? So this is the simple thing from the side of array. Now if you want to check like where my B is loaded, right? Where my B is loaded, that B index should be 0, so 1, so it will always start from 0, right? So 0 to 1 it will start, and if I want to print something from the list and I'll say the 1 index number 1, that means it will print B, right? And it will print B, that's all. So it is easy to understand the list, how you can just create array and how you can just check them by indexing, right? So this was the initializer, but what will happen if I will not give this thing? Will it work? So it will automatically detect by this or not. So you'll see, so it will say yes. So Swift is pretty smart, it is saying like all things are a string, so I'll take care, this is a string type array and I don't need to give the type, right? Okay, now it's fine. Now again I want to say to you like string is there, and if I will create like this a array, I was just creating like this before and it was empty array, right? Now I want to know like when it will fail, my list will fail if I will not give type, right? So that case should be in front of you, like I just remove this one and this one, then it will create the same result, and it will say if you are not giving me the string and constructor, still I'll create for you. So it's pretty simple for developers, right? Now I say like I don't want to give here also, then what will happen? It will give you error, hey, somewhere you need to give something, right? So better you need to give at one time, you need to introduce at one side one type, right? Either here or either there. So if you want to give there, then you need to create like this, right? This was a simple thing. So now it will not give you error because at one place you gave and then you are initializing, right? So you understood how you can create this list, how you can create the array, but there is another way. Once you will go for introducing capacity and data structure and algorithm kind of things, and if you are creating any library and something like that, then you should not use this. What you can use, the list will be list, and you can create an array like this, and one sequence and string type will be there, and that type you will define like that, and it will produce the same result, but it have some features, so by them you can play around, right? So init like that also you can just init, and it will give you the same result like line number 5 was giving. So it will give you same result, but also you can create direct constructor as well, right? This constructor also give you the same result. Now what you need to understand is what is the benefit of this. So this benefit is like the sequence and all, like I will tell you. So the sequence, suppose A and B I want to load, so it is asking me the sequence, right? So if you will go for the initializer dot init, you'll say sequence is there, this sequence is there, so one array sequence I require, and I'll say A and B is my sequence, and I can create this list like that, which is into my paint, which I just describe you from 0 to 1, right? It will create the same A and B, and you will print the B, and it will print B at the 2 index, right? So the list will work same. So you can create your array according to your wish. If it is going with a more library concern or something like that, you can create like this, right? Now if suppose I want a repeated value, I want a repeated appending into the array, then you will see there is a repeating element also available. Sequence and initializer you understood properly, right? So you'll just say init repeating, and I want to repeat the A for 1000 times. Then how you can repeat 1000 times? It will give you the count and the list, right? So it will print 1000 times. So automatically, rather than going here and just printing this list like that, a will be pretty hectic for me, right? So here those kind of advantage you can take by this array, by this feature, right? So this was all about the array. And if I will not give the type here also, will it work or not? It will work 100%, right? So it is nice enough, nice thing like that. Don't be confused. If you can use this one, you can use this one also, or if you want to use this one also, right? But in today's topic I just covered initializing the array with multiple ways. Now in the next topic we'll understand a different feature, and we'll complete all array features which is provided by Swift, right? So it is a deep learning, it's not a single tutorial, right? Thank you so much for watching this. If you like this, please thumbs up and just subscribe it, and just share with your friends and family members, those are really interested in the Swift programming language and junior iOS development course. Thanks.